Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 11.1. A chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. So first let's draw a reference diagram for that. So I'm drawing a circle with O as a center and say chord AB is marked like this. They gave the radius of the circle is 15 centimeter. They want the areas of the major and the minor segments. So major and minor segments, first mark the minor segment in this case. So this part is going to be the minor segment. The major segment is going to be the rest of the circle's part. So let's start with the area of the minor segment. So area of minor segment is going to be equal to area of sector minus area of triangle AOB. So that is going to be the general form of the formula for the segment. So area of the sector is, let's write the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of the triangle is going to be, in this case it's again an equilateral triangle, so root 3 by 4 a square. Let's start to substitute. So in this case it is 60 by 360 and in this sum explicitly pi is asked to be used as 3.14 into the radius is 15 squared minus root 3 is expected to be 1.73 divided by 4 into 15 square. So if you take the 15 square outside, so this will become 3.14 by 6 because 60 by 360 is 1 by 6 minus of 1.73 divided by 4. So if you compute, this is 225 into 0.523 minus 0.4325. Now if we further multiply, subtract and multiply, the final answer is 20.3625 centimeters square. So this is going to be the area of the minor segment, which is going to be 20.3625. Now for the area of the major segment, it is nothing but area of circle minus area of the minor segment. So that will give us the area of the major segment. So area of the circle is going to be pi r square minus what we just computed, which is 20.3625. So pi r square, pi in this case is 3.14 into r is 15 square minus 20 point, again the number 3625. So if you calculate, this is going to be 706.5 minus 20.3625, which is equal to 686.1375 centimeters square, or simply round it off to 686.14 centimeters square. So this is going to be the area of the major segment, and this 20.3625 is going to be the area of the minor segment. In the next video, we will see the solution for the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.